Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2020 350 SLX with twin 400s. Let's start with the profile of this boat. It's an ad. The lines on it are absolutely gorgeous. It's got the black hull with the nice big hard top on it. It's got the large trim tabs on it. Plenty of power on the back. Teak on the swim platform on the back. It's an absolutely beautiful boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 SLX. Let's start with a really neat feature that they did in the back of the boat. Usually you have the back crystal laying down. A lot of times they're not real comfortable for sitting. What they've done is they've given you a nice lounger right here with a high back on it, and then an ottoman that pulls out, which is extremely comfortable for your feet. Did a super job. I think it's the first of its kind on this. So nice feature on that. It tucks back in here when you're not using it, and this folds down. It's just a real cool feature. So you get the teak flooring that goes all throughout the entire boat. And so you get the L-shape here, large L-shaped seating with sun pad. There's a table underneath, so you can have this set up for a table or with the sun pad on it for lounging. Very comfortable. Over here you have a grill, so you get an electric grill. You got a sink, and you got a fridge. So nice little galley set up right here. Seating here. And then up here, you've got basically two captain seats, two double captain seats. Very comfortable. Nice feature. Very rarely see two captain seats. Nice feature. And underneath, they got a nice room underneath. You've got very comfortable. Turns into a sleeper down there. So if you need to get out of the weather, take a nap, that type of thing. Nice feature for this boat as well. And then the helm area, you've got twin Simrads. So real clean dash on that. Two Simrads are beautiful. Plenty of, you get the backup option, which is very nice to have. And you also have the joystick. Goes sideways on the boat. It's just a really neat feature. I can get it in any slip, any condition, any time. Just very cool. Also has an autopilot on it, very easy to use as well. And the sky hook, I can lock it into position. You can point it at the sunset, keeps you locked in, go on the bow, a little glass of wine, stay there as long as you want. Really nice feature on it. As we move towards the bow area, we've got the head. So vacuum flush head. Large area in there as well. You got a window in there, so very comfortable. Plenty of room for anybody to use the head. And then as we move to the bow, we've got a cooler recess for the people that are up the bow. They don't have to go back to the boat. And then you've got a large seating area here. So this actually has two teak tables. So if we weren't lounging like this, take the two pillow cushions off. The two teak tables come up. Really comfortable both ways. Entertains extremely well. These are both double loungers as well. So the hard top's great. You get a sunroof on the hard top as well. It just does everything well. It rides like a champ. It rides that good. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.